Very similar to dates wrapped in bacon. The plantain gives it like a Puerto Rican twist to it.
Man, amazing.
What's up everyone, this is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in beautiful sunny San Juan, Puerto Rico. Over the next 5 days I'm going to be exploring the island in partnership with the Intercontinental San Juan. The hotel is located only a 5-minute drive from the airport. They have 398 rooms, they have this huge pool area, and they have a 2-mile stretch of beach. I can't wait to hit up the beach, but first let me take you through my club level suite. It's humongous. I got a work area right here. Bedroom. We got a beautiful bathroom. Here we have a walk-in closet. I'm telling you, it's really big. We also have a living room here, dining room, and now let's go explore the property and go to the beach.
Bienvenido to Puerto Rico. My name is Nestor Colon, Intercontinental Head Concierge. As far as the property, we are located 5 minutes away from the airport. This section is called Isla Verde. Okay, the property has 398 rooms. We have a great spa, gym, a wonderful beach. In fact, the best beach in the metropolitan area. It's 2 miles long. As far as the amenity, we have a wonderful pool, the spa, the swimmer bar, the restaurants. As far as the restaurants in the hotel, we have 4. We have Saki, Trattoria Italiana, Ruth Chris, and we also have Chow Mediterranean with the swimmer bar. Please don't hesitate to use them. The hotel is definitely family oriented. Bring on the kids. Again, we're only minutes away from the beach. The best beach once again in the metropolitan area. It's just a fabulous property. Please come on down so you can enjoy.
Like the concierge said, this is one of the prettiest beaches in San Juan. It's beautiful. It's a public beach. There's only public beaches here. From the hotel, you have a little like private area. And yeah, it's a huge beach. I mean, it's like, I don't know, 300 feet in width. A lot of people coming out right now. And it's like 5:30. This is Isla Verda Beach. It is the most popular beach vacation destination in the metro area, luring both leisure and business travelers. Visitors get to experience the pleasure of the great tropical beach with a vibrant nightlife and a variety of water sport activities. Some of the most elegant and luxurious hotels are right on Isla Verda Beach. The metro area is a bustling city, yet when you arrive to the beaches of Isla Verde, it feels quite laid back and relaxed, with plenty of sand for everyone to unwind. The beaches of Isla Verde are the best in Puerto Rico's metro area, often voted as the best city urban beach in the Caribbean and under the USA flag. That was an amazing day at the beach. Oh my God, so relaxing. I put a lot of sunscreen on because I didn't want to burn too much. But now I'm going to the restaurant in the hotel called Aleli. They serve Puerto Rican traditional food, but with a gourmet twist. I'm super excited. Let's go downstairs. Aleli is in the bottom of the hotel. Tell me, Gloria, what is this?
We have here some beef and basil meal.
You know, he's never pulled that one for me.
I love this.
Me too. Maybe just let it sit right there for a while. Please.
Salud, salud.
Thank you for the opportunity.
No, thank you.
Basil, beef, correct.
I like Tito's Vodka, it's good.
Yeah, everybody likes it as well. Yeah.
My name is Isaac Pacheco. I'm the food and beverage director for here Intercontinental Hotel in San Juan. Today, pretty much what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and give you just a little tease of what our new restaurant Aleli will feature at. I mean, we're gonna do a few different signature dishes. They're already set up in the menu. Also, we're gonna go ahead and pair that with a wonderful glass of wine as well, and some other cocktails in between.
So our appetizer is a Bacalaito, and this is a more gourmet version. This is like a small version. Typically, you get them and they're huge. Here we have it, Aleli twist. It feels like almost like a fried calamari, like how like small it is and everything. Cucumber mint yogurt sauce. It's a perfect combination with this fried codfish. Delicious. It gives it good balance, the yogurt with the fried. Done. Intercontinental life.
Dale, baby, dale, 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 dale.
I love this wine. The Josh. Bacon wraps sweet plantains. Dude, I mean, it looks amazing. Yeah, it does look orgasmic right here. This is very like gourmet, like you said, like gourmet. They say this is orgasmic. Sweet plantain wrapped with bacon. So it's manchego cheese. Wow. Balsamic reduction. Dude, it's delicious. Wow. Very similar to dates wrapped in bacon. The plantain gives it like a Puerto Rican twist to it.
Man, amazing.
A lot of really light flavors going on. And then you got that fresh lime juice and the cilantro. It marries very well with the cucumber, the tomatoes, and the avocado. Then we take it over here and give that beautiful presentation, more deconstructed. It goes really well.
Pepper. Awesome. I'm all about avocado. I do avocado toast a lot. So yeah, it's so good. It's amazing.
Be able to bring down that fish. It's a big trip.
I can eat this as a meal. I just need like 3 of them. You know?
Very light.
Yeah, I love it. That was delicious. So cilantro is in there. I don't love cucumber, but cut thin like that, I like it.
This is a fried snapper. It's a classic, another classic from the island.
Arroz Mamposteao.
With the fried egg on top.
Look at this, look how it melts. Right there, baby.
Whoa.
On fire. On fire.
So here we have a typical Puerto Rican dish with a little twist. It's a fried snapper with dill sauce. Here we have capers. I always eat this with salmon. It has to go with dill. It's just like amazing perfection here. For me, it's my kind of dish. I can eat this like in a sandwich with all the dill on top. Man, you guys know what you're doing here. Esto está riquísimo. Si no saben, yo hablo español. Pero no se llama español, se llama castellano. And this is mofongo, yellow plantain, mixed with garlic, mashed together, fried. It's amazing.
Arroz Mamposteao. It's a combination of rice and beans, pork lard, just to get that extra flavor and bite everything together. And then you have to pop that egg yolk.
With the egg, yummy, gooey taste. It's like, just like melts in your mouth. Cheers, guys.
Salud. Buen provecho.
Intercontinental life.
You know, the Intercontinental life, it really means a lot to us. You know, it's really a part of what we do.
The whole culture,
the
right?
people. It's hard to describe with real words, but it's amazing.
Bread pudding, huh? It's not called bread pudding though. What is it called?
Budín.
Buding.
Budín.
Buding.
Budín. That's a true budín.
Right here we have a true budín, which is bread pudding, raisins, Bacardi rum. Oh my god, it looks amazing. And it comes with blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, and vanilla ice cream. Oh wow. It's like a delicious alcoholic dessert.
Yeah. Right?
Yeah.
You have that rum.
You got that rum. No, dude, it's amazing.
You get that rum aftertaste, huh?
It's amazing. I can finish it.
Good. Finish it up.
Gracias por estar con nosotros. Thank you.
That's amigo. Alright, so we did it. Gourmet Puerto Rican food.
Yep. Gourmet Puerto Rican food, nice and full. Now we're heading to the bar to keep pushing it hard. It's only Monday.
Pushing it hard. Guys, I hope you loved this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. The next time you hit up Puerto Rico, come to the Intercontinental San Juan, a must. Cheers. Salud. Oh, dude, where's your wine? Where's your wine?
What's up, dude?
Hermano.
Muy bien, muchas gracias.
Aquí estamos.